Okay, so we're going to be talking about our number of the day, and today our number of the day is this number. Who can raise their hand and tell me what number this is? Shania.
That number is 32.
32. Who can tell me what digit is in the tens place? Justin.
3.
Wonderful. What digit is in the ones place? Kristen. Who would like to come up here using tens and ones blocks or with our pictures, show the number 32. Jada, please come up. Thank you so much. Thank you for being supportive of another friend who has an opportunity. All right, I want to see my friend. This is how she's done it. Please show me agree or disagree. Alicia, I
agree because she put the number is 32 and she put 3 tens and 2 ones.
You are so right. Excellent job. Let's say Alicia.
Alicia!
You're so smart.
You're so smart.
Danielle and Justin and my other friends, I really love the way you gave shine and were supportive to Alicia while she was thinking. Let's count together this number. And when we get to a tower of 10, Somali, we're going to count by what? There we go.
10, 20, 30.
Stop. When I get to my tower of 1, what am I going to count by, Kari?
31.
You're right. We're going to count by what?
1.
Okay, 30.
32.
She did such a great job. Who can tell me my number of the day? What would happen if I took away 10 from my number of the day? Let's think in our head. Actually, let's whisper it. If you want 10 more, jump down to the floor. Think about it. What would be 10 more? Did I say 10 less? I want to say 10 more. 10 more than 32, please. Who's thinking? Anya's thinking. She's using her hundreds chart. Destiny's thinking. Destiny, what is 10 more than 32?
42.
42. Let's ask her.
How did you know? Because I looked at 32 and I hopped down and I saw 42.
Yes, and if you want 10 more, class, what do you have to do?
Jump down to the floor.
Another way of looking at it is if we have 32, and then we're going to add another 10, all we have to do is now see that we have 4 towers of 10 and 2 towers of 1, and that makes 42. You did a wonderful job with that. Thank you so much. Give yourself a pat on the back. We are now going to do our... Okay, my clock will start singing. Or ringing around when you start singing. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The hands on the clock go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hands on the clock go round and round, and the time is now. Stop the time. Ooh, you know what? I want you to think about it. And when I clap, raise your hand. I'm going to give you some time to think about what time it could be. Ooh, Sanaya's thinking. Kevin's thinking. Here we go. Juliana, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
Let's ask her.
How did you know? I knew it was 5 o'clock because the minute hand was on the 60, which is on the 12, and the minute hand is, the hour hand is on the 5.
Let's say Juliana.
Juliana.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
You got it right, my dear. Let's start singing one more time. 1, 2, 3.
The hands on the clock go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hands on the clock go round and round, and the time is now.
Oh, wait. I'm going to clap. When I clap, that's what I want. I'm going to give you your wait time to think. Use those big brains to think about what time this could be. This is a little bit of a trickier one. Caleb.
8:30.
8:30. Caleb.
How did you know? I know because it is between the number and you hop back to small.
What is between the number?
The shorthand.
The shorthand. The shorthand is the
Hour hand.
Long hand is
the minute.
Okay, stop.
Short.
So Caleb, our shorthand or our hand's in between the 8 and the 9, and when it's in between,
You hop back to small.
you do. And our minute hand is where?
At the 6:30.
Yeah, so it's at the 30. So what time is it?
8:30.
Thank you for giving him shine. Show me if you agree or disagree. Wonderful job. It is 8:30, and if we were to do this on a digital clock, it would look like this: 8:30. Let's see, Guy, which is my hour on my digital clock, the 8 or the 30? 8. You are so right, because look, where's our hour hand pointing? To the 8. Wonderful job. You guys are doing such a great job. Now I get to go to my favorite part. And what do you guys think this is going to be?
Money.
Money, not money. Number talk. Who can tell me my 3 rules of number talk? Raise your hand. I'm going to give you hints. Okay, hints. Destiny.
Explain your thing.
Yeah, everyone now, explain your thinking. Okay, what's the other one for number talks? Somalia. Eyes on the speaker. Who remembers the last one? Anya. Put those listening ears on. I need to see everyone's listening ears on. I'm going to erase this board. I can't wait to see what connections you guys can make about this number. Here we go.
Get some water.
1, 2, 3. I like the way Justin remembered that when we have an answer, we put our thumb in our lap for number talk. Emanuela, I knew. I need you to be loud and proud.
I knew this number was 8 because I cut it by 2 to the 1.
Okay. Shania, I see a sign that you're making. Tell me. I
disagree because I think the number is 7.
7. Why?
That's because I count by 1.
She counted by ones. Let's count by ones together. You may take a seat for me. Here we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, excellent job. Counting by ones is a great way to start off to figure out this is the number 7. What's another way someone figured out this was the number 7? Ooh, I love the way that I have some friends' eyes on the speaker. Thank you, Alicia, for being kind to a friend. What do we tell Emanuela if she's made a mistake? Mistakes are just a way to make your brain grow. Emanuela's brain grew because she made a small mistake. We thought it was 8, but it was 7. So we just have to count. What's another way we could figure out this was 7? Danielle,
Because I had by 4 and
you counted by 4s and 3, so you said 4.
and 3.
So could you tell me, what did that get you? But having a group of 4 and a group of 3 and you put them together, what would that get you? To 7. How could you write that as a number sentence?
4 plus 3
Excellent job. Who's got another idea? Thumbs in lap, thumbs in lap. Ariana.
2 plus 1 equals 7.
Now, did you go like this? 2. Show me how you did it. Come up here and show me what your thinking was. I like the way how Anya's eyes are in the speaker. Her clip is moving up. Oh my gosh. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. We could have even counted by 2s. Let's try that. Here we go.
2, 4, 6, 7.
Wonderful job. Who can see a connection between these 2 number sentences? Think about a connection. I see 4 plus 3. Here I see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Who can make a connection? Sanaya.
2 plus 2 is 4,
You're so right, my love.
and 2 plus 1 is 3.
You're so right. These 2 are the same equations. They're just written going to equal?
7.
You can tell me another way that they figured this out. Ooh, I see great thumbs. I need in lap though. Henry. 7 times 1 equals 7. That is very true. How many groups of 7 do we have here, Henry? You're so right. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. That's a wonderful connection. Shania.
If you turn it over.
You want me to flip the whole card over? Here we go.
3 plus 4 equals 7.
Oh my gosh. We're going to say, Shania.
Shania.
You rock!
You rock!
Okay, we had 4 plus 3 up here. Shania remembered that in addition, there's a commutative property, and you can flip it. So you can also do 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, just like 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Alicia, you've been so patient. Kai, you're going to be next, I promise. Go ahead, Alicia.